One of the collateral damages that moving from Hapara to Google Classroom will impact on is the way in which we deliver our professional development and our learning systems within the faculty. This is our Priority Learners workspace. We have a number of workspaces for different features of our learning for teachers. So if we go back to the main section, and in terms of this, when I look at my labels, and we look at the staff stuff, we have these are our different areas which we use for professional development. We're going to look at this one because the feedback that I've consistently had from other heads of faculties and from the senior learning team of Hapara College is we have an exemplary priority learner system. This will be impacted upon. So, in the workspace, what we are enabled to do is we have teachers at different parts in their career. So this is identified within the groups. So we have PRTs. As you can see, the PRTs will get a different setup of information to everybody else, so we don't overload. We have new teachers. So for instance, Dave Winstone is new in 2022. He would have that information. Now, if in terms of this, I look at this, Dave will also, because he's in this group, he will get this information here. We will have our deadlines in place for it. We have the help videos for those people that need it. And then as we go through, we have the different things that they are going to need around classifications for priority learners. So we have the all group stuff, and then we have some stuff that is solely focused on PRTs, and this is especially around the attributes of priority learners that we use to classify. Likewise, this is solely for the PRTs and the new, so we are differentiating the information that our teachers get. We're ultimately providing differentiated PD, which my understanding of the literature around this is what should be done. But I may well have misunderstood that, and that generic PD is good and is what is needed. So this is another one of those things around, and I'm not sure whether it's been thought about the collateral damage that the removal of Hapara will have in terms of the impact on the faculty, staff, Cura.